promise that you never be lonely.
Hey guys, it's Christy here, and hope you guys are having an amazing day. Hope you guys are feeling great, happy, in good health. Your spirits are high. Yesterday my spirits weren't too good. I wasn't doing good in the morning. My anxieties were up the roof really bad, and I did have to go to the doctor and get some medicine, but it's good now. I got rest and stuff, so that's awesome. Sometimes for me it's just, that was the worst it got. Really, that was the worst that it did get. But anyways, I just hope you all are having an amazing day. And like, it's really hard, it's easier said than done, to say things and actually do them. You know, sometimes it's just out of your control. Even though it's in your control, it's out, you know. This already we got cut off. My sister called me up, and I just learned today, just want to give it a big a shout out. One of my friends passed away. We just call him Junior, and I just want to, you know, send my love and prayers to his family and friends out there, if you guys are watching. But anyways, it's hard when you lose someone. But anyways, today is gonna be okay, hold on, I'm getting myself together. Okay, so bless you. So today we're gonna just have like a IPSY unboxing. So I already like kind of put it in this bag here because I kind of like sanitize whatever I got. I threw the box out, and I just kind of like sprayed things here so I can work with it. So this is supposed to be my February box, and it didn't come, so I reached out to them, and then they you know, helped me to get my box here. So whatever is in the February box is not going to mean that my February things are in there now, because they said that it might not be exact, and I don't think it is, but it's still awesome because they gave me a set of brushes, so I'm happy with that. So this would be for my February box, and thanks IPSY, you guys are really pulled through. But I did get another duplicate. I just want to say that I did reach 1,000, and I really appreciate you guys for, you know, supporting me and stuff. So I want to do a giveaway, but after all this chaos is over, then I'm gonna do a giveaway. I'm gonna have 2 winners. I'm gonna do like a gift card, maybe $25 gift card for those that don't do makeup, and then I'm gonna have a makeup part. So it's gonna be like either or. There'll be 2 winners, but you gotta choose either, whichever one you want, you know. So just to give back to you guys that are supporting me, and I want to make sure that I'm going to give it to the person that's always supporting me. That's one thing about this giveaway is going to be, I want to make sure that it goes to the person that is the one that's supporting me a lot. So I will be choosing that person. But I'm going to just kind of put it together. Well, we'll see how it goes, but I just want to make sure that persons that are always always commenting and always supporting me, that gets the giveaway, wins it. And for the silent ones, just give me a thumbs up or shaka or something, you know, just leave on shaka if you're like watching and you don't want to say anything. If you can't leave a comment, that means you're not signed in or you're not subscribed, gang, okay? And if you're my friends from before, make sure you guys subscribe, please. Just all you gotta do is sign into YouTube, and then you can subscribe to my channel. Okay, if you guys are from before time, knew me long time, don't forget to do that, okay guys? Because some of you just watch and you guys don't subscribe. But I really appreciate you guys and love you guys anyway. Okay, so let's get started. That was a really long 3-minute intro, but I just had some things to say. Okay, so after this, probably, maybe, hopefully in May, April, May, hopefully in May or June sometime, I can do the giveaway. So I'm just building my box of makeup. The makeup might be a little bit worth more, but it's just things that, you know, I have bought, some of them I bought for the giveaway, and some of them probably is going to be like this here. Things that I got in my IPSY box that I did not use or open. But I do have one of these already. So it's the, I can't even say that name, but you know what I mean, huh? This is a hydrating Hydra Veil. So it's the primer for underneath your makeup. I'm not even gonna open it, but I'll show you the bottle. It's really cute. This will be in the giveaway as well. And I already have some makeup and eyeshadow in there as well. Okay, and so this will be the first thing that I got in my IPSY bag. And the next one is I got this eyeliner. I'm not even going to pronounce these words because I don't want to sound stupid. Sometimes when I say words, it's like that's the word, and when it comes to my ears, it's like not the right pronunciation or something. But this is just an eyeliner. It's just a felt tip. So I'm going to keep the eyeliner. Like for this kind of liquid, I can only use it on my top. For the bottom, I have to use like a pencil because it's not really too much liquid. And this is the bag that I got in my IPSY. Okay, it's not even unzipped. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay. So and then I got this. Let's see what it says here. It says Evolue Hydrating Serum. Okay, so that one there, I can use this under or over my moisturizers at night. I'm gonna try to use it. Oh, it says I can use it twice a day after cleansing and toning. Oh, okay. So after I tone, then I can use that. The next thing I got, I already opened it because I was excited. What was it? Okay, so it is a vegan cruelty hypoallergenic La Rousse Beauty. Am I saying it correctly? Okay, but this had all the brushes inside. So it comes with 5 brushes. So I was kind of excited for this. I always like getting brushes. So I just like collecting brushes. These are really nice. There's an angled contour, flat foundation brush, shadow, tapering, blending, and a kabuki. Okay, but yeah, I was happy with this. I'm always happy to receive, you know, brushes. Okay, and the last thing that I got was an eyeshadow palette. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I got 5 things as usual. Okay, and then this one is the Dominique Cosmetics. I think you guys have seen it already, but it comes with these colors here. Those are kind of cute colors, I guess. Let me just swatch some. So I'm gonna keep this. Okay. Oh, my hands are so dry. Okay, and these are the colors like that. We'll see how that works. So some of I bought a Morphe palette, but it's not like, some of the colors are like really, it's not the greatest. When you're trying to blend, it doesn't blend well, but we'll give this a shot. I want to do more, a little bit more of the makeup, but I just haven't been up to it. But so that would be my replacement bag from IPSY. Okay guys, I don't know what happened there in my head. I probably touched my hand with the Okay, let's not look at that, okay? I think I just touched my hand with one of the my fingers. But anyways, you guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I do have a wig review that I'm gonna be doing next, so stay tuned for that as well. You guys take care, and don't forget to smile and try to make it a better situation if you can. So I've been like doing a little bit more videos that kind of keeps my mind off of things, and today I just felt like putting on makeup and making me feel better. I just want to say thanks to everyone that's watching my videos. You guys take care, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.